Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you some of my favorite beaches for swimming and chilling on the island of Oahu and a little information about how we got there and what the beaches are like. Stay tuned and don't miss some amazing scenery.
Yeah buddy, G-Ride here.
The first beach we visited was located on the east side of the island, just south of Pahonu Beach Park. The trail to the beach is somewhat hidden, but the 1-minute walk leads you to the most beautiful beach with the most perfect sand and pristine turquoise blue water.
Look at this beautiful beach, guys. Oh yeah. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. So this is the beach right here. This is a really nice beach. Are you super happy? You're super happy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Good girl. What a happy girl. First time in Hawaii. Look at that smile, babe, on her face. Where are you guys gonna go?
We settled at Pahonu Pond, which has calm, shallow blue water surrounded by an ancient stone enclosure. This beach is perfect for relaxing, swimming, and beating the crowds. It is definitely worth a visit. Alright, so we parked over at the Lagoon 4 Marina. It is a paid parking lot. All the other ones are full. It's about $15 to park all day, which isn't bad. There's definitely ample parking here. So in my opinion, it's really worth it. Got a little bit of a cloudy day here today. No big deal. I have a feeling the sun's gonna pop out anytime. But regardless, it's nice and warm out here. It's a great place to be. We decided to settle at Lagoon 3. If you're not familiar with Olina, there are 4 beautiful lagoons connected by more than a mile of seaside pathway. All lagoons are great for swimming and snorkeling, have beautiful sand, and nice tranquil chill vibes.
Hello, puppy, to you. Hello to you.
Our next stop was Kailua Beach Park, which is one of Oahu's most beautiful beaches. The long stretch of white sand offers calm turquoise blue water, perfect for swimming, kayaking, and stand-up paddleboarding. There are restrooms and showers, as well as picnic tables, making Kailua Beach the perfect spot to relax for the day.
How was your first swim in the ocean? Did you like it? Oh, it's so cold. Oh, it's so cold.
The next stop would be Lanikai Beach, which is probably my favorite on the island. We walked from Kailua Beach, which took us around 5 minutes or so. Parking can be quite challenging on busy weekends and holidays, so be sure to plan ahead and respect any local no parking zones, as fines can be hefty. Lanikai Beach literally translates to heavenly ocean. It is the perfect beach to swim, snorkel, kayak, or just relax, and is often ranked as one of the most beautiful beaches in the world.
That's it.
We made it to our destination, Ka'aawa Beach, located on Oahu's windward side. The beach is narrow but very beautiful, and there are great views of the mountains behind the beach. When the water is calm, this beach can be a great place to cool off, although I didn't find the snorkeling that great. Overall, this beach is a great place to swim and relax, and is a must-stop when you are on the island. Hello. All right, we just made it to our beach here on the North Shore. It's the Malaekahana Beach campground, and hopefully there'll be some waves because these guys just bought some surfboards over from Costco. So it'd be nice to get in the water. Weather's nice and beautiful here. It's a little clouds over the mountains behind us, but it's warm and it's nice, and we're ready to go. Ain't that right, Coco? Malaekahana Beach is located on the northeastern shore of Oahu between Laie and Kahuku. The beach is wide and an excellent beach for water sports such as swimming, surfing, bodyboarding, and stand-up paddleboarding. There are campgrounds as well as public restrooms and showers. This beach is an excellent choice to relax for the day and a great way to beat the crowds. This will be the end of the video. If you enjoyed the content, please subscribe so you don't miss my future travels. And also, please click that like button to help my channel grow. I will see you on the next video. Mahalo for watching.